DevOps is a cultural and you can say a technical approach that integrates the development and operations team. Instead of working separately, both teams collaborate through the entire software lifecycle. This lifecycle is often shown as an infinite loop, meaning that the process never truly ends. The feedback from one cycle improves the next cycle. Planning is the stage where the requirements, your goals, features, and tasks are defined. Teams decide what problem the software will solve, what features could be built, and how the work will be delivered, all the timelines and the priorities. So commonly used tools in this planning phase are Jira, Trello, Azure, DevOps, and Confluence. Then the coding stage. Developers write the actual source code based on the plan. So key practices include the version control, code collaboration, branch management, code reviews. So different tools are relevant here like Git, GitHub, GitLab, Bitbucket. Then building stage converts the source code into a runnable application. This may include compiling the code, installing all the dependencies, packaging the application, and creating containers. So relevant tools may include Docker, Jenkins, Gradle, Maven. After code is pushed, CI pipeline, that is continuous integration pipeline, start automatically, and your code is compiled and a Docker image is created, for example. So now the application is packaged and ready for testing. Then testing verifies that the software works correctly and has no bugs. It can be unit testing, in which you test individual functions, integration testing that tests interaction between the modules, system testing basically tests the complete application, security testing tries to detect vulnerabilities, and performance testing measures the scalability and speed. Relevant tools in this DevOps stage are Selenium, JUnit, TestNG, and Cypress. Then release means preparing the tested software for deployment. So key activities include version tagging, the documentation, release approval, and packaging for distribution. Relevant tools commonly used for this phase are GitHub releases, the Jenkins, GitLab, CI/CD pipelines. Deployment moves the application to a live environment. This can be staging deployment, production deployment. So modern DevOps uses automated deployments. Relevant tools used are Docker, Ansible, Terraform, Kubernetes. Monitoring tracks the performance and you can say health of your application. It helps detect the server crashes, high response time, security attacks, the memory and CPU usage. Feedback collects insights from monitoring data, user reviews, bug reports, and your performance logs. So this feedback improves the next planning stage. Sources for feedback may include customer reviews, support tickets, analytics, and monitoring reports. So DevOps is not a one-time process. It is a continuous loop of development, testing, deployment, monitoring, and improvement.